I will cut the onion and celery. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I pour olive oil into the pan and wait for it to heat up. I put the chopped onion and celery on the heated oil. I will stir and fry for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to cut the pepper and the carrot. I will stir and fry for 10 minutes. I add 200 grams of boiled labelbi. Dry organic spice. How I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. Pepper to taste. And salt. I'll stir. I will pour a liter of water. I'll cover it. From the moment the soup boils, I will cook for 15 minutes. While the soup is cooking, chop the garlic and parsley. After 15 minutes of cooking, I add the broccoli. Garlic. I will stir. I will cover and cook for another 10 minutes. And our soup is ready. Sprinkle with parsley and serve. Vegetable soup prepared in this way is extremely healthy and tasty. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.